So hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to create legal pages in Shopify. So the first thing you want to do is go to Shopify admin panel, and it's going to be looking something like this. From here you can see orders, discounts, markets, analytics, online store, add, you can see settings as well. So through here you can go to your online store. From here you can see themes, pages, and preferences. So you can click on pages. On there you can see manage access, you can see visibility and stuff like that, and you can create a new page. So if we want to create new legal pages, just click on here, add page, and then from here you can see title something like about us, sizing chart, FAQ. That's just an example. So let's create legal. So you can see it's going to be looking like this. So you can choose to add it like that, and then you can put in the content you want. So you can go ahead and add stuff like default pages. You can use the contact page. You can choose whether or not it's going to be visible. So through visibility, you can see if it's visible or hidden. You can set it up as well, or you can even add a visibility date if you're not sure when you want to set it up. So from here, you can just type in something about maybe privacy policy. So you can add that page and then put in an entire document and add some stuff to it so they can agree to that legal part of your store and stuff like that. So that can be the contents of your legal page. If you found this information helpful or useful, you can like the video. You can also share the video. You can subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell to get notified about new videos on Shopify or some other topics you might find interesting as well. Thank you very much for watching this video, and as always, I'll see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.